Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best drone backpacks that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Lycus DBP100U Travel Backpack for Drones. Here comes our top best backpack that is universal and looks more functional. This model can fit all kind of phantom and it is padded on the shoulders to give a comfortable walk. It can also accommodate all the accessories that you need such as a camera, batteries, pads, and smartphones. This bag comes with a lifetime warranty, hence guaranteeing you to serve you for long. This bag is a water resistant, making it ideal for outdoor utilization. It is lightweight since it is made with a 1680D nylon materials, thus making it very easy to carry it around. The lower compartment of this bag can be able to hold 4 batteries and controller, and they will be stored securely. Moving on, at number 4, we have Polar Pro Backpack Drone Trekker Case. This is a high-quality backpack that will serve you for a long time. It has a big space to carry the drone together with the camera, remote control, and water bottles. On top of that, with its TSA-approved lock, it ensures to provide top security, making it ideal for airports. The interior walls on this backpack can be removed for it to accommodate any type of drone. This drone trekker has a compact design and you can be able to carry it around to any place without getting tired. Furthermore, the drone has oversized padding found in the shoulder straps that assist to support the drone weight together with several batteries. At number 3, we have Smutry Phantom 4 Backpack. This carrying case is particularly designed to store styrofoam case, which usually comes with DJI comes with. The bag has a customizable space that you can also keep your propellers, remote control, and tablets. In addition to that, the bag is created with high-quality tear-resistant polyester that will ensure more safety to your drone. The Smutry Phantom Backpack is ideal for outdoor vacations. It features foam interior that you can attach batteries on the top. The main compartment can be used to carry the drone, while other interior spaces can be used to carry mobile devices and tablets. At number 2, we have SSE Backpack for Drones. This is a great option whenever you are searching for the best backpack for your drones. It can be used as a backpack or shoulder bag and has a great design to give you convenience. In addition to that, this bag is made with high-quality materials, making it waterproof as well as damage resistance. It comes with a perfect design, making it fully functional and can fit any drone. The backpack is ready to carry your DJI Phantom controller together with other accessories. It will keep the drone firm and secure wherever you go. It also features a water bottle holder. I'm sure you will be happy with this purchase. And finally, at number 1, Manfrotto MBBPD1 DJI Backpack. The Manfrotto backpack is made with a big compartment to store your DJI drone and have an abundant storage space to store all your equipments. In addition to that, the materials that are used to construct the backpack are of high quality, hence making the bag to withstand even in harshest weather conditions. It is also lightweight and can be carried with ease. These backpacks have battery pouches and big storage space for all your accessories. It features 3 removable zipper pouches as well as rack-like compartment. Furthermore, it has a compact size and it is ideal whenever you are going climbing or hiking with your drone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.